In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from demo account in expert option. So do take note that your demo account is just a demo and it's not real money. So let's head right here into our balance option. And when you expand on that, you can see in here your real account, and in here we have demo. So for our demo, we have around $9,000. So let's click on it right here and make sure to enable that. Now, once we're in there, just click onto this icon right here that you can see on your left, and we should be able to choose between finances of withdrawal or deposit. For this one, let's choose withdrawal, and in here, just choose in here the actual withdrawal method that you want. For example, let's choose in here Visa, input right here the amount, and then input right here your card number, and then after that, click on this new request. So in that, it will process it, and it will create the withdrawal request. So in that way, you can withdraw any amount from your balance to your bank, Skrill, or Neteller using this way.